Hello, I'm Richard Risk. We've been talking about frequently asked questions, but it also occurred to me that there's so many questions potential clients and clients should be asking that they're really not. Um, and some of those questions might be, how much will it cost to litigate my case? Not just the claim, but litigation. And I don't think that people really realize how much it can cost to try a case. If you're going to get a neurologist or orthopedic surgeon to testify, you're talking about experts that sometimes charge in excess of $1,000 an hour to try a case. And so a question you should be asking your potential attorney is, who pays for that cost? Well, eventually it'll come out of the client's share, but many attorneys don't advance these costs. We typically do. Another question that you should be asking your attorney or should be asking about your case that really rarely comes up is, what do I do with the money when it comes in? That is a good question because, as strange as it sounds, having too much money can actually mess you up. If it's not planned for, it could put you in another tax bracket, or if you're having Social Security, it can make you ineligible for Social Security benefits. Sometimes it makes sense to set up an annuity, for example, get paid over time so you don't become ineligible for some sort of social service benefit. That's a question that rarely gets asked. Another question is how is this going to that should be asked is my health insurance going to pay for this after my PIP benefits run out? PIP, as you might know, it's discussed in another video. PIP is the medical benefit portion under your automobile policy. Well, the required PIP in Oregon is only $15,000, and so very commonly people burn through the PIP quickly. So what do you use to pay for it? Well, usually that's health insurance money. But the trick is that your health insurance policy will have an exclusion in it for automobile accidents and accidents that are caused by the fault of someone else. That's why when you go to the emergency room, the intake person says, were you hurt in an accident or on the job or some other way? Well, that's not because they care, that's so they can bill it properly. If you're in an accident, you need to get a copy of your health insurance policy right away. So if health insurance pays for anything, you'll know what your obligations are to pay health insurance back. You'll know that you have to increase the amount of your claim to take that into account. There's others, but we'll get to them later.